What you guys, got another security cam here from ZOSI. This one is a 3 megapixel wireless mini 360 degrees Panasonic view camera with two-way audio IP camera. Now this is a VR cam, ideal for security, comes with a bunch of good features, and we'll go through and take a look at it in more detail in this video. So let's take a look at the side of the box. It has got HD, it's got VR panorama, also infrared night vision, two-way audio, Wi-Fi, remote network monitoring, TF card support up to 128 gigabytes, and motion detection. The features are 180 degrees, 360 degrees, 720 degrees, wide range viewing, HD image, amazing experience with VR glasses, electronic PTZ, easy operational, 128 gigabyte SD card support or micro SD card support. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi smart configuration is on this one as well. So let's get it all out of the box and take a look here. We've got a UK plug, it's got a USB port on there which the cable plugs into and then goes to the camera, which will power your camera. It's pretty well built, the plug looks pretty good. Also you're going to get your cable. This is going to be your USB cable which will go to your camera and to the plug. Pretty lengthy cable there, probably over 2 meters I would say. You also have a mount here which does have a magnetic bottom, which means you could stick this to any sort of metal surface, and you also have a little ball mount in there which allows you to rotate it. So this is the magnetic part here, which is quite a nice feature because you can always put it up somewhere and get that nice 360 degree panoramic view there, so you can record that as well. You're going to get yourself some raw plugs and also some screws here in case you want to mount it to the wall. And you've got the camera itself. You've got your quick start user guide here which will get you up and running in no time at all. I'll show you how to set this up in a second. So what we're going to do here is have a look here. We've got a metal bracket here. This is probably so you can mount that to the wall and then use the magnetic plate there. So on the bottom here we do have a mounting port here. We also have our lens, which is where we're going to get that 360 degree 3 megapixel recording here with two-way audio on here. This is just your mounting port here if you want to use that. 128 gigabyte micro SD card support there. Got your reset button. Also you got your speaker on the back here because it does support two-way audio, and you also got your power port here which is going to power the actual camera. The camera is made up of plastic, but as you can see here it's pretty well built, and it will look pretty cool in any home. And also you're getting that 3 megapixel 360 degree recording which is pretty cool. Now you've got your mounting system here which gives you full movability, so you can move it about to any sort of place or position you want. Now you're going to need to go to the App Store, and you can use the QR code and scan that and it will take you to the App Store where you can download and install the app, which is going to allow you to record and review your camera. Just allow everything to go through because it will need to have permission to do that. Then you just need to register your account. Once you've got it registered, plug the camera in and plug it into the wall outlet. Once you power it on, you should get a message from the camera saying it's going to start configuring your camera. Then go to your phone and then select the appropriate thing from the list there. This one is a wireless camera. So we're going to select that, and you can see here we do see the indicating light blinking on the camera. Then you should check all your security settings, make sure everything is going through okay, and select the camera from your Wi-Fi, and then put in your Wi-Fi network password. And that's all you need to do, and it will start to configure your camera. So just let the app do its work and configure the camera to the app there, and then you should be able to see the operation was completed successfully. And then you can basically look at the video feed and do what you want from there. And you can then take the camera to a position of your house wherever you want and place it there, and you should be pretty much good to go. And this is what it looks like once you've got it all set up. You should see your camera feed through your phone, and then you can use all the menu system up the top to change views and stuff like that. So when you look at it in this position, you should see a bunch of things like a microphone, and also you can record and take snapshots and stuff like that. Okay, so make sure you've got a class 10 micro SD card slot in here so it's good enough and fast enough to record. And you've also got some other bits like playback and other bits and pieces here. You can change the view of the camera itself by clicking on that little icon there, which will change the view of it. You've also got some demos here, and I'll just quickly show you the demos of what the actual camera does. So we'll click on this here, and this will open up some feed, and you can see here this is the viewing angle you're going to get when you view it. Now you can change this if you want to, the display mode, to whatever you like, and this will allow you to rotate it and move it about. You can see when you rotate it around, it will give you the 360-degree panoramic view, and you can just scroll through here and see the camera feed. And you can also zoom in and rotate it around this way as well, so you can see it here. So you can do whatever you like and zoom right in. You can also make it look like this and do another type of view. And here's another one here, which is basically two lines, as you can see. Anyway, that's about it for this video. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. That is the ZOSI 3MP wireless camera. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.